Once upon a time, in a small village near the edge of a magical forest, there lived a little girl named Bella. Bella loved exploring and had a special friend, her cat Oliver. One sunny morning, Bella and Oliver set off on an adventure into the mysterious lost forest. Bella and Oliver walk through a path surrounded by tall trees and colorful flowers. Birds are chirping happily. Bella says, "Wow, Oliver, look at all the beautiful flowers. Let's pick some for Mom." Oliver meows in agreement. Suddenly, a bright light flits around them. It's Sparky the firefly. Sparky says, "Hey there, I'm Sparky. Welcome to the Lost Forest. What brings you here?" Bella says, "Hi, Sparky. We're exploring and picking flowers for my mom." Sparky says, "Be careful not to pick too many. The flowers here are magical and help keep the forest alive." As they walk deeper into the forest, they notice the trees looking sad and the flowers wilting. Bella says, "Oh no, Sparky, what's happening to the forest?" Sparky says, "The elder tree is sick. We need to help him, or the whole forest will wither away." They arrive at the heart of the forest, where the grand elder tree stands. He looks weak and tired. Elder tree says, "Hello, Bella and Oliver. I need a special potion to heal. It's made from the dew of kindness, found on the highest hill at sunrise." Bella, Oliver, and Sparky set off towards the highest hill. They face various small challenges like crossing a stream and helping a bird back to its nest. Each time they help, the forest seems a bit brighter. They reach the hill just as the sun rises. Dewdrops sparkle on the grass. Sparky said, "Remember, the dew of kindness can only be collected with a kind heart." Bella gently collects the dewdrops in a leaf. They hurry back to the elder tree and give him the dew of kindness. Elder tree says, "Thank you, Bella. Your kindness has saved me and the forest." The forest starts to bloom again. Flowers stand tall, trees look lush, and animals rejoice. Elder tree says, "Bella, you've shown that kindness can heal even the deepest wounds. Always remember to be kind and help others." Bella and Oliver wave goodbye to their new friends and head home, carrying a bouquet of magical flowers for Bella's mom. And so, Bella learned that with kindness and a caring heart, she could make the world a better place. From that day on, she always remembered the lesson of the lost forest. Remember, little ones, kindness is the most magical power of all.